Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can download and install the Vibe widget app. So let's get started. So download and install that you have to follow this easy step. If you are an Android user, then you can use a Google Play Store or your Google search bar. If you are an Apple user, then you can directly search on your Apple Store. So at here, I will just open my Google search bar and I will directly search for the Vibe widget app. So from here I can see the app. I will just click on there, and from here you have to go to the app, then click on the install button. It will automatically download and install the app in your device. And you can also scroll down and you can see the ratings and rate the app from here as well. So if you have any question related to how to install this app, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.